Morning student. Today I am going to continue the chapter The Saviors. Okay, and now we will start our chapter from page number 98. So take out your book and page number 98. Now Bobby said how hot I am. Okay, and she said, and I thought it was going to be cold. Okay, and I wish we had not put on our. She stopped short. Then all the three took red flannel petticoats and they tore it off an inch from the bend. Okay, and then Peter divided the petticoats into two pieces. That means the petticoats were divided totally becomes in 6 pieces. So all the three children taken two pieces of the petticoats and they make the petticoat as flags, and now they have 6 flags. Then they decided to wave the flag, and they must have flag staffs, and that's why they try to stop the train. Bobby stand on the line and the train come in very fast speed, as you know that, and she waved her 2 flags right over the line. Okay, the voice of the engine was too loud and harsh so that no one can hear the voice of Bobby. Okay, and at the last the great black engine were stopped dead. Okay, when the children were trying hard and they tried and they keep their efforts to stop the train, lastly the train were stopped. Okay, and but Bobby could not stop to waving the flags. Okay, when the driver and fireman got off from engine and know what happens with them, the children, then Peter and Phyllis narrates the whole incident to them. Okay, and they feel very proud of these children, and they were shocked and surprised to hear this news. Okay, and but at this condition Bobby still waving the flags, but in a way that she lack strength, means she is now feeling weak, very weak. Okay, when the other turned towards her to see her, she was lying across the line. That means she became very weak at this point. Her strength were become very less. Okay, the engine driver and the fireman carried her, picked up her, okay, from the line, and they carried her to the train and laid the Bobby on the cushion of the first class carriage in the train. Okay, then the other 2 children were sit besides the Bobby. They sat by Bobby on the blue cushions and the train ran back. Okay, from on their line. Okay, Bobby opened her eyes and everyone was happy to see her because she is looking like much better from the previous situation. Okay, when the station were reached, the 3 were the heroes of an agitated meeting on the platform. The praises they got from their prompt action, their common sense, how the children were used their common sense, their ingenuity to serve or to make effort make effort to stop the train without thinking that they will be trapped in they will also get themselves hurt if they lose in their work. Okay, and everyone enjoying the delicious moment, and because she had never been a real hero before, means Phyllis and Peter were enjoyed this type of moments, but Bobby would not. She wanted to get away. She wanted to go to home as soon as possible. That is why she pulled the jacket of Peter's jacket, okay, and said, "Come away, I want to go home," she said. So they went, and the station master and the guard and the porter, all firemen, passengers set up chair for them, for the children, and they said that you can save us, okay, you can save our life, and they all thanks the three children, and they also gave them a reward, okay. After this situation, the dreadful thought or the thinking of the mind would not be removable from Bobby's mind, okay. She always thought about that incident and she never forget it. Okay students, here your chapter will complete it.